CCI levies a penalty of, well, the figure is there on your screen, 6,300 crores if I'm not wrong, on 11 cement companies. This is 50% of FY10 profits. Devdatta has more details. Devdatta, firstly, which are the companies which have been named?
Hello?
Devdatta, I can hear you. What are the companies that have been named?
The companies that have been named include Ultratech, ACC, Ambuja, Binani, JK, India Cement, Century Textiles, Lafarge, and Binani. These are big companies that we are talking about. Everybody has been levied. There are 11 companies in total. Everybody has been levied penalty of 0.5 times of their net profit from 2009-10 and 2010-11, which is basically the FY10 and FY11 profits of the net profits of 10-11, which is roughly working out to be 6,300 crore rupees. Now, the other part is that the Cement Association, Manufacturers Association has also been nominally penalized, but the fact of the matter is that this is exactly what.
Yeah.
This is what the order is. This is the final order which has been signed, and this is exactly what the CCI intends to do.
Okay, 50% of FY10 profits. For a couple of companies, of course, they were following the calendar year, but that would be immaterial. So, Devdatta, anything else that is mentioned out here with regards to trends in pricing or future action or anything of that sort?
See, right now, whatever we are hearing is that the order has just been issued, but obviously, given the fact that it's a huge amount of money that we're talking about here, this is the largest order in the CCI's history per date, and therefore, obviously, it will come with a lot of, it has come with a lot of speculation, but then again, CCI here is trying to prove its ground, the fact that it is there to stay and it will not take any form of cartelization or any anti-competitive practices lying down, and that's the point that they're trying to prove. Though from what we've learned from our sources, a lot of the evidence that have come out have been circumstantial, but from the CCI order, it says that there is enough evidence to prove that there was a cartel from 2009-10 to 2010-11. These are the 2 years that apparently these cement companies gained immense profits out of, and therefore they have used these two particular financial years to impose or levy the penalty on.
Devdatta, just wondering, of the companies that you named, I didn't hear the name of JP Associates. Has that been left out or has it been named?
No, they're also, JP is also a part of the penalized companies. JK, JP, they're definitely a part of the penalized companies. They have a legal window open to them, the fact that they can approach the Competition Appellate Tribunal against the CCI orders. But then again, this is today we're talking about the issue just being of the CCI just issuing the order and going up ahead with it.
Have they also highlighted in the order, Devdatta, the rationale or the reasoning or the calculation of that amount, 6,300 crores? Because there were a lot of numbers floating around in the market.
See, as per the law, they've followed the law strictly. The law says that in case there is a cartel that has been formed, the CCI has the powers to impose a penalty of as much as 3 times of the overall profits. Now, in this case, they have chosen to go with just 0.5 times of the net profits of the years where cartelization has been sufficiently and efficiently proved. The years that they have pointed out is the FY10 and FY11. Remember, the law suggests, and that is exactly what the order also says, that according to the law, can only penalize the companies for the years where they've gained profits out of forming the cartel agreement. And it's these 2 years that they're talking about, 2010, FY10 and FY11. And that's exactly what they have done here.
Has it also listed the specific penalties against each company? You've given the total amount, 6,300 for 11 companies. What about breakups?
While the breakups, the order has just been issued, so we are still trying to gather information as to in what format the order itself is going to come out. But obviously, some form of initial calculation has been done where we are picking that the total amount of penalty on all these 11 companies could amount to as much as 6,300 crore rupees.